And here the masterpiece. Welcome back to another unboxing video of this channel. So today we have X20 Onikuma headphone. These are gaming headphones with a high audio quality and noise cancellation. And there are also many other features are available in this. There are some lights. The look of these headphones are very great and professional. And these are some features you can see from here. I have ordered this from AliExpress and I have received in this condition, but let's open and check. So let me open from here. So these are the headphones and the packing is really good. These are the headphones and the instruction book, detailed instruction book, and the box is empty. So through it, and let me show you first instructions. So these are instructions which we never read, and let's open this. Oh, red. And here the masterpiece. Wow, great. And these are wrapped. So here you can see the look of this headphone, which looks very professional look. I really like the unique style of these headphones. And here there are some foam, and you can see that the headphone has the wire. So let me open the wire. And here are the wire, and you can see the wire. So the quality of the wire, I really like that. You can see the quality, and the length of the wire is also enough. So let me wear like that, and so you can see the wire. So there are two wires for the headphone and for the mic, and I think this is for the light. So let me use this. The foam which is here, these foams are really comfortable. I really feel comfortable. So the first thing, our noise cancellation. After wearing this, I really don't listen any faint voice or anything. So +1 for this. Now let's insert these wires. So first I will insert this and see the coloring. So here you can see the colors of these headphones on the both side. These are RGB colors, and from here we can increase the sound, and there's some button to on and off. So let's try to use, then you will see the button. So I have played song here, but I can't listen my voice. So the noise cancellation from the outside is very perfect. So the voice quality of these headphones are really good. I really enjoyed it. Now let's check the mic quality of these headphones. The voice you are listening is coming from this mic. So you can tell me in the comment how the mic quality and the headphone quality. I really like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.